Get ready for a revolution in smartphone photography. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to redefine the game with its groundbreaking camera upgrades. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Just a few years back, iPhones were equipped with 12 megapixel sensors. Fast forward to today, they boast a 48 megapixel sensor along with one or two 12 megapixel sensors. But hold on to your seats because the iPhone 16 Pro Max is about to take a giant leap forward. According to a recent report, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to introduce a new main sensor and a massively upgraded ultra-wide camera. A Weibo user, Ovo Baby Sauce Ovo, has spilled the beans that the main camera will swap out the existing sensor for a new one, also with a 48 megapixel resolution. This new sensor is none other than the Sony IMX903, an upgrade exclusive to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While all iPhones launching this year will undoubtedly sport impressive cameras, it's the iPhone 15 Pro Max that's causing a stir. As Daniel John from Creative Block puts it, it's the one to get excited about. The smaller iPhone 16 Pro will retain the Sony IMX803 sensor found on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, both Pro models will see a significant change in the ultra-wide camera, which is expected to jump from 12 megapixels to a whopping 48 megapixels. The primary goal of these enhancements is to boost low-light performance, a common challenge for smaller sensors with smaller pixels. But that's not all. Creative Block highlights additional changes affecting all three cameras on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, as well as both cameras on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. The lenses themselves are being redesigned to minimize lens flare by incorporating new anti-reflective optical coating technology. The higher resolution sensor will likely have smaller pixels, but will utilize the pixel binning process, where multiple pixel sites are combined to work as one to capture more light. Specifically, on a 48 megapixel camera, 4 adjacent sites are linked, providing the equivalent of a 12 megapixel shot, but with the larger pixels that binning provides. This process has proven highly effective on the current iPhone series' main camera, offering additional flexibility with the option to shoot in full 48 megapixel resolution for the highest quality when the lighting situation permits. Interestingly, the only camera not undergoing a change this year is the telephoto camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max with its 12 megapixel sensor and 5x optical zoom equivalent. However, rumors suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro will see an improvement over this year's model. The iPhone 15 Pro only manages a 3x zoom due to space constraints, but that's set to change this fall. Both Pro models will feature the excellent 5x zoom currently found on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In fact, the Pro Max might even see a superior telephoto this fall. As Creative Block suggests, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might feature a super telephoto zoom, extending the focal length from 77 nanometers to a staggering 300 nanometers. This increased zoom capability could be a game changer for creatives, making the device a serious contender for sports or even nature photography. So, stay tuned for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the smartphone that's set to revolutionize the world of mobile photography. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. See you next video. Peace out.